Belacan is more than just a staple ingredient in Malaysian cuisine. It's a taste of our heritage, while modern manufacturing rushes forward. One small-scale producer in Kuala Perlis is proving that tradition and quality still reign supreme. Welcome to the story of RLS Belacan, started in 1997 as a humble backyard operation by Puan Rohani with just RM500. This family-run business has evolved into a fully certified modern operation managed by her own son, Khairul Naim. Backed by government support and halal and Mesti certification, RLS Belacan has captured a fiercely loyal customer base stretching all the way to Sabah and Sarawak.
Hi, I want to continue product and service in RLS Belacan, which is the raw material without using any chemical. They also supplied by local fishermen in Perlis to ensure good product quality. RLS Belacan also using traditional and handmade method to keep the product taste and authenticity of the product. The product have a two size, which is this 190 gram and 180 gram. So customer can choose taste and needs and budget. The packaging has been improved by a simple preparating to modern plastic packaging with label and sticker. This image, the product look more attractive and improve its brand image. By using quality ingredient, its traditional taste, RLS Belacan has gained customer trust in Malaysia and overseas.
The next part is process and capacity of manufacturing RLS Belacan. The first step is raw material receiving. The process begins with receiving Belacan shrimp from suppliers. The shrimp are supplied in a semi-processed conditions and stored to ensure that a continuous supply of raw materials for production. Next step is destroy and disintegrate. The Belacan shrimp are ground using in the industrial grinder to produce a smooth, uniform paste. The next part is capacity. There's a four capacity in manufacturing RLS Belacan. First is labor resource. Labor resource is important because the company has employed 3 to 4 workers to perform the activities such as cleaning, mixing, drying, packaging, quality and control. During the periods of high demands, additional workers may be hired to maintain their productivity and ensures that customers are fulfilled, orders are fulfilled.
Next, 4.0 quality. For the quality aspect, RLS Belacan focus on ensuring consistent product quality in terms of color, aroma, texture, and moisture contents. The company practice total quality management, thus continuous improvement and employees' involvement in quality control. A check sheet is also used to monitor raw material, product process, and finished product. However, the main weakness is the consistency of most content because the drying focus depend on weather condition. Therefore, the company is recommended to ask an industry fruit dehydrator to improve consistency and reduce the risk of moist combination.
Hi, I want to continue the location RLS Belacan. Advantages of location. First, easy access to raw material, which is just supplied by local fishermen, ensuring good quality. Second, low operating cost, which is lower cost from the land, rental, and utilities had increased profit. Third, from the traditional environment, which is easy to find skilled and worker with experience. Lastly, about suitable climate. This hot weather can have the natural drying process. Okay, changing of location. First, weather uncertainty. Rain can slow down the drying and production process. Second, limited infrastructure. Limited access to modern technology and logistics. And lastly, about supplier dependence. Because production depends on local shrimp supply.
Next, 6.0 layout. For the layout aspect, RLS Belacan as a product-oriented layout where workstation are arranged according to the product sequence from receiving raw material to product distribution. This layout help improve workflow efficiency and reduce unnecessary movement and lower material handling costs. To maintain food safety, the factory is divided into wet and dirty zone and dry and clean zone to prevent cross-contamination based on the assembly line balancing and the layout efficiency is 56.2% with drying process identified as the main bottleneck efficiency overall productivity.
Next, I will explain the supply chain management of RLS Belacan. The supply chain begins with procurement of semi-processed Garago shrimp from 3 suppliers located in Perlis, Kedah, and Penang. The owner usually orders 3 barrels of shrimp and also sources packaging materials such as plastic packaging, stickers, and labels from external suppliers. Since the company does not catch shrimp directly, maintaining strong relationship with suppliers is very important to ensure consistent quality and production. After receiving the raw materials, the production process is carried out using traditional methods supported by modern equipment, including mixing and impulse sealing machines. The main production activities include drying, mixing, shaping, packaging, and labeling. Proper coordination between suppliers and production helps avoid delays and ensure enough inventory to meet customer demand. Finally, the finished belacan is distributed to retailers, resellers, local consumer, and customer in Sabah and Sarawak. Customer feedback and repeat purchases help the company maintain product quality and improve its operation. Overall, an effective supply chain enables RLS Belacan to produce high-quality products, reduce costs, and achieve customer satisfaction.
I will be continuing my presentation about the operation weakness. RSL Belacan has several operational problems that affect business. The production process depends on the weather, causing delay during rainy season. The company also uses limited technology, so many tasks are done manually. Raw material supply is uncertain because it depends on external supply. In addition, the business relies on a small number of workers and has limited production capacity. Rising raw material costs also increase operating expenses. Since the problems are connected, RLS Belacan need better technology, stronger supply management, and improve production planning to support the future growth. RLS Belacan can improve its operation by using semi-automated drying technology to reduce weather issue and speed up production, strengthen the digital marketing and forecasting to boost sales, and improving packaging with more product variety to attract customers. Standard SOP and staff training will ensure consistent quality, while better supplier and inventory management will prevent storage. Improve production planning will also increase efficiency. Overall, this change will be help the business run more smoothly, reduce risk, and support long-term growth. That's all.
To wrap up, RLS Belacan's core strength lies in its authenticity by leveraging its strategic location in Kuala Perlis and utilizing fresh Grogao shrimp. The business has successfully maintained high-quality product and a strong market reputation. However, to secure long-term growth, the business must address its vulnerabilities chiefly and extreme reliance on weather for sun drying, low technology adoption, and fluctuating labor and supply costs. To bridge this gap, we recommend a gradual shift toward modernization. Implementing semi-automated drying processes will eliminate weather dependency, while standardizing SOPs and improving supplier coordination will stabilize operation. Ultimately, by blending its traditional heritage with modern operations management, RLS Belacan can boost efficiency, scale its reach, and ensure sustainable success.